Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. The name is Nathan, member Institute of Security Management and Operations of Nigeria, security expert and conflict management analyst. In today's video, we shall be talking about unraveling the complexity of Nigeria's security challenges. Nigeria, the most populous country in Africa, has been grappling with a myriad of security challenges for decades, stemming from various factors. In order to gain a deeper understanding of these complexities, it is crucial to examine the key issues that contribute to Nigeria's security challenges. One of the major factors contributing to Nigeria's security challenges is the presence of multiple insurgent groups operating within the country. Boko Haram, a militant Islamic group, has been at the forefront of the terrorism in the northeast Nigeria. Known for its brutal tactics and attacks on civilians, Boko Haram has caused widespread fear and displacement in the region. The group's ability to recruit new members and its sophisticated use of propaganda have posed significant challenges to Nigeria's security forces. In addition to Boko Haram and other insurgent groups such as Niger Delta Avengers and indigenous peoples of Biafra have also emerged, each with its own grievances and demands. These groups have carried out attacks on oil installations, leading to disruption in Nigeria's oil production and further exacerbates the country's security challenges. Another critical factor is the long-standing issue of ethno-religious tensions in mostly northern Nigeria. The country is home to a diverse range of ethnic religious groups, and competition for resources and political power has often fueled conflicts along ethnic and religious lines. The clashes between the predominantly Muslim Fulani herders and predominantly Christian farmers in North Central, Southwest, and Southeast, commonly referred to as farmers-herders conflicts, have escalated in recent years, resulting in numerous deaths and displacements. Although pundits argue that it is a ploy by the Fulanis to annihilate and grab the indigenous people's land, because the perpetrated carnage by the Fulanis also extended to northwestern Nigeria, a region predominantly Hausa Muslim farmers. Moreover, Nigeria's socio-economic inequalities and high levels of poverty contribute to the security challenges facing the country. Unemployment, particularly among the youth, has created a fertile ground for recruitment into criminal and insurgent groups. The lack of economic opportunities and social services in many parts of the country have created a sense of frustration and disillusionment, which can be exploited by extremist groups seeking to recruit new members. Corruption and weak governance also plays a significant role in Nigeria's security challenges. Mismanagement of resources and systematic corruption have undermined the effectiveness of security forces and eroded public trust. The diverse of funds meant for security purposes has left the military ill-equipped and demoralized, hampering their inability to effectively combat insurgents or terrorist groups. To address these complex security challenges, the Nigerian government needs to adopt a multifaceted approach. It is crucial to invest in intelligence gathering and modernize the security forces, equipping them with the necessary tools and training to combat insurgents effectively. Efforts should also be made to address the root causes of these challenges, including poverty, unemployment, and social inequalities. This involves implementing economic reforms, promoting inclusive governance, and providing social services to marginalized communities. Furthermore, the Nigerian government should prioritize interagency cooperation and regional collaboration, sharing intelligence and coordinating efforts with neighboring countries, particularly those affected by the activities of transnational insurgent or terrorist groups, can help disrupt their operations and prevent their cross-border movements. Lastly, fostering a culture of accountability and transparency is essential to combat corruption and restore public trust in the security apparatus. Strong anti-corruption measures including the prosecution of corrupt officials, will not only help in resource allocation but also serve as a deterrent to future acts of corruption. In conclusion, Nigeria's security challenges are deeply complex and intertwined, from insurgent groups to ethno-religious tensions, socio-economic inequalities, and corruption. Addressing these challenges requires a comprehensive and holistic approach. The Nigerian government, with the support of international community, must prioritize efforts to strengthen security forces, address the root causes of conflict, promote inclusive governance, and combat corruption. Thanks for watching. In my next video, we shall talk more on other aspects of security. Thank you. Bye.